Welcome back to my another brand new video. If you're searching for a data entry job or online job with zero investment, this is a great place to make a few extra bucks from home. If you are looking for a true work from home experience, so GMR is legitimate and their workload is flexible and you get paid based on how much you work. This site work for transcription type jobs is just going to transcribe audio file into text form. How do you apply for GMR transcription? To get started, all you need to do is a computer with high-speed internet and MS Office and over-the-ear headphones. So no experience is required, but you must pass a transcription test. And if you pass the transcription job, they will send the work. And if you're talking about website review, this website has a 4.6 rating and great customer review. You can go through the Glassdoor review pages, and if you are fit for the job, so you can apply. And their payment method will be, you can withdraw your money via PayPal or Payoneer, and GMR transcription pay rate is $0.75 to $1 per audio minute according to audio and video files. Another website called Smith.ai, and it allows you to earn income with zero investment and grow your career from the comfort and convenience of your home. So they're hiring right now virtual receptionist, and they're hired for both part-time and full-time work, and your primary responsibility will be to answering call or web chat for a variety of different businesses and professionals. So if you are searching for an online remote job for a woman or any graduate student, so this is the best job, I think. And payment method will be, they will pay for entry-level rate is $10 per hour, and they pay weekly, and you can withdraw your money by adding your online Mastercard. And their website review is, if you go to Glassdoor, which is great job site and review website for before applying, you can check the review also. So this website has a 4.8 rating and great customer reviews, and if you are fit for the job, you can apply. So these websites are great website, and hopefully you will enjoy it very much. And I will come up with another next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz and happy work from home. Bye.